graduates, please rise for the Pledge of Loyalty, to be led by our magna cum laude, Miss Angel D. Abardo.
To my fellow graduates, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Angel D. Abardo, firmly believe and profess upon my word of honor and before God and in the presence of those I love, to live up to the noble traditions of Computer Arts and Technological College Incorporated. With the help of God, I will do my best with all my power to uphold with dignity and honor the ideals and principles for which this institution stands. I pledge my loyalty to the flag of my country and to the God-given principles of freedom, justice, and happiness, for which this institution is embraced. I solemnly promise to be loyal to my alma mater, to uphold her ideals and principles, true excellence in my chosen profession and virtuous life. So help me God.